right there. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Get on your stomach. On your stomach.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Stay there.
What are you doing?
Don't move.
Whoa!
Don't move! Do not!
Ah! Oh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Stop moving.
Whoa, what are you doing, bro?
Stop moving.
What are you doing? Why?
Place under arrest. Stop.
For what? For what? Ow! Ow!
Stop resisting. Stop
What did I do?
resisting. I'll tell you in a minute.
All right.
Stay right there. I'm going to tell you everything that's going on. Don't resist.
All right.
Do not resist.
Stop moving. You got anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, cut me?
Nope.
All right, Mr. Nelson, you're under arrest for misuse of 911. You called my dispatch no less than 40 times within the past week. That is illegal in the state of Florida. Standing up and searching.
What were you saying?
Knees to your chest.
Bring your knees up.
Bring your knees to your chest.
Sit up. Where's your car?
Right here. Yep.
Stand up.
Stop.
Whoa, what you
Stop.
What are you doing, bro?
Do not.
What are you doing, bro?
Do not.
What are you doing, bro?
Really? You want to flinch at one of my officers?
What are you doing, bro?
Now stop resisting.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro?
Stop.
What
Stop
are you doing,
hitting
bro?
your head against the
What
window.
are you doing, bro?
Hitting your head against the window.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop hitting your head
What are you
against
doing,
the
bro?
window. Stop
What are you
hitting
doing,
your
bro?
head against the window.
Yeah, put that mother, bro.
Stop, bro. Stop hitting your head. You're gonna hurt yourself. Stop hitting your head.
What's up,
Stop
dog?
that.
Is he going back on you?
Oh.
Yeah.
Wanna get your mama beat up? You wanna get your wife, bro?
Yeah, of course.
All right, I got you, dog.
Stop.
Do not speak.
Stop.
Sergeant.
You got a spit hood?
I don't.
Sergeant, you got a spit hood? LT, you got a spit hood?
All right, come on, boss. You gonna get huh? All right, mother.
Stop.
What you doing, dog? You scared,
Stop
boss? You scared? You scared? You wanna get your brains blown out at your house, bro? All right, come on, dog. You scared, you bitch? All right, I'm about to get hard. Come on, I'm about to pistol whip your wife right now. All right, dog. Come on, let's do some more. What's wrong, dog? What you doing, dog? You scared? Yeah, put it on, dog.
Stop. Spitting
Break, dog. Break the dog. Yeah, break that. Ah! 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 Oh, my arm is breaking! Ow! Ow, my arm is breaking! Ow! Ow, my arm is hurting!
Stop pulling.
Ow, my arm is hurting!
Stop.
Ow! Ow! Ow, my arm is hurting bad! Ow, my arm hurts!
Pull.
Ow, my arm is bleeding! Ow! Ow, I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Ow, I don't know! Ow, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, my arm hurts! Oh, I'm sorry! Ow!
Down, stop.
Ow, I'm sorry!
Put your leg
I'm
down.
sorry, okay? I'm sorry!
Put your leg
I'm
down.
sorry! Alright, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, yes! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, please! I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Check that leg real quick. No, check. See if he's got anything.
Oh! I'm sorry.
No, this is clear.
Clear. How we doing, Ham?
Clear.
Clear. Let's move.
I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry.
Stomach in the front.
I'm sorry.
Sit in the car. Sit down. That's supposed to come out? Is that supposed to come out?
You sure?
No.
No, on the top of the mirror.
No, it's the handle.
John?
Yeah.
Sergeant, did he get you?
Yeah, he's been on.
Spit on me too, isn't that so?
Cameras on in the back?
Yeah.
I think you might have got one of
Did he spit on you? Yeah. Okay. Where did he get you?
Look at my faces, I mean, like on my sunglasses. I think it's like right here.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah,
He
got him
more than what he did. He just got me like.
You want to pull a separate case number and get for
battery on Leo.
Bat Leo for UM Sergeant, and then resisting.
Resisting without, I mean resisting with, right?
It's resisting without, but definitely Bat Leo for spitting on UM Sergeant.
Combo party. I'll put this in my trunk. Is that all searched?
Watch yourself down.
This is your phone?
Huh? This is your call. Everything you need? Good.
Put your arms out like that. You get your teeth?
I put some of that shit in there. You can wipe your face.
Yeah. I need someone to go with me.
To the
I want
station.
someone to go with me to the jail.
Alright, yeah,
you
I'll
have-
send somebody with you.
Oh, awesome. Okay, good.
I'll run out there with him.
Let's have one officer.
I mean,
you're heading.
too, Sergeant.
They won't come down now, right?
Yeah.
Well, you're on OT, so you can go with him if you want. And if you want to go too, it's fine.
Yeah, I would say at least 2 more.
From what I heard, they're not sending deputies down to help you. No.
Yeah, send over.
No.
Get the stuff in the car.